This heavy-duty steel box claims to turn a messy pile of cables into a professional data center, but can it really handle the weight of a serious home lab? The Rosewill 12U server rack enclosure is more than just a metal cabinet. It is a professional-grade housing solution that brings order to the chaos of a growing network. Right away, the heavy-duty construction stands out. It is built from high-quality cold-rolled steel, giving it a sturdy feel that inspires confidence. It can handle up to 130 pounds, which is plenty for a stack of switches, patch panels, and even some shorter-depth servers. One of the standout features is that tempered glass front door. Not only does it look incredibly clean in a home office or a small data center, but it also allows for a quick check on status lights without having to open the cabinet. Security is handled well too, with locks on the door and removable side panels that make maintenance a breeze. Since it is a flat-pack design, assembly is required, but the process is surprisingly quick and intuitive. At 17.7 inches deep, it is specifically tailored for those who need a compact footprint without sacrificing the standard 19-inch rack width. It fits perfectly in a network closet or mounted high on a wall to save floor space. There is a real sense of satisfaction when gear finally slides into those rails and everything lines up perfectly. It transforms a cluttered corner into a legitimate tech hub. For anyone looking to protect their investment while keeping things organized and accessible, this enclosure hits that sweet spot between affordability and premium build quality. It is a reliable, secure, and surprisingly stylish foundation for any serious network setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.